come from, Imran? Yeah. How about you, Arabi?
So you know where I am from.
I don't know
You
where you come
know.
from.
Uh, Basically, I born in Bangladesh, but right now, currently, I live in Indonesia.
Halah. Nah, he's liar.
Yeah, I basically belongs to Bangladesh, but currently, I live in Indonesia. I'm just studying in Indonesia right now, and yeah, at the same time, I'm learning Indonesian language. It's very hard. Still, I'm learning. Yeah,
No, Indonesian language is so easy.
easy for you, not for me.
Yeah, sikat gigi. Great. Mm.
Yeah, also for me as well.
Well, when you start learning Indonesia, it's really easy. I swear. It's not because that's my first language. It's because in learning bahasa it's so easy. Okay, I can write to the comment section, and you can read that. Wait, um, how to say? Wait. You can read that. Yeah, you can speak bahasa with well. What does mean Arabic?
It's been how are you?
Yeah, it's easy, right? So, uh, yeah. Mm.
I'm learning my bahasa from safety.
When?
I asked you several times what is the meaning of these.
Oh,
Yeah, she helping me a lot. She helping me a lot.
yeah. No, I'm not.
She always, yeah, she always help me and she deny every time. Like, nah, I don't help you.
I
Uh,
don't help
Nothing.
you a
See,
lot.
see, see.
Yeah.
She never agree with me. Like, no, she
That's
just pretend like, oh no, no, I'm not helping you.
no, because you are so smart. So yeah, I just teach you a little bit, but you can speak bahasa well. So
Yeah.
it's not because about me. It's because of you are so smart.
Yeah, it's because my teacher is smart. Yeah, also, the first way you can learn very easily, you should talk with native people. Jadi.
So, Arabi, what do you do for a living?
Ah, you know. Oh my God, you acting like that.
Am I know you?
Yeah, you know me. We talked before. You forgot. You forgot.
When?
Huh?
When?
1 month.
Oh yeah, 1 month ago. Oh my god, it's so long time. Okay, so Imran, what do you do for a living? Yeah. Oh yeah. But I think your English is good enough. Your me or Arabic?
You.
Oh, I'm a teacher, but I'm not good at teacher. I'm a bad teacher. Yeah. Uh, Actually, I'm a physical teacher.
Um, Safety, Muhammad. I need to go.
Where do you wanna go?
Juma. Inshallah, we'll talk. Inshallah. If you are there, I will join you live again. Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Be careful.
Mm,
Take care. Bye
how
bye.
how to